In demanding industrial environments, the right seat isn't just about comfort. It's about control, safety, and endurance. Introducing the Toyota Forklift Driver Seat by Jain'm Seats. Engineered to keep you comfortable, secure, and productive shift after shift. Premium-grade cushioning supports your body throughout the day, reducing fatigue and keeping you focused on the task at hand. And with its premium and sturdy build quality, this seat is made to endure years of heavy-duty use. The sliding movement allows you to set your ideal distance from the controls, giving you maximum comfort and precision while driving. With a back reclining function and smooth reclining knob, operators can adjust their seating angle to reduce fatigue and improve posture during long hours. For safety, an integrated seatbelt keeps the operator secure, even in challenging conditions or sudden stops. The Toyota Forklift Driver Seat, built for comfort, designed for safety, and made for long-term performance. Jain'm Seats, trusted across industries, built for those who move the world. Visit jainmagro.in for our full range of industrial seating solutions.